Hello everyone, this is Rajatadri. I passed out of Shastra Tuition in 2012. I had secured 11th rank in CET that time, and I did my undergraduation from Bangalore Medical College, and right now I am pursuing MD from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. The first of the things I would like to tell you guys, and first of the things I remember from Shastra Tuition is that Shastri sir used to come and tell once a month he used to come motivate us to work hard, motivate us to work smart also. He used to tell us you need to work for 16 hours. Many of my friends also thought that it is unrealistic. Many of you guys will still be thinking that it is unrealistic, but definitely it is not unrealistic. He used to clearly tell us that if you consider sitting for 4 hours in the evening session and then going for college for some 6 hours, and then you yourself guys studying for 4 to 6 hours a day will complete 16 hours of work. That persistence, that perseverance, that consistency is very important. Working for 16 hours once a day, once a week, or once a month is not going to help you. I think you guys should religiously follow whatever the teachers tell you in Shastra Tuition. That's what I did. I never had anything in my mind. I didn't have a plan of my own. They are teaching there since, even if you see the board, it's there since 1994. So from 1994, if they are there, I was born in 1994. So you can see their experience is as much as my age. So you have to follow them religiously. They have seen how the trend has changed over years, how the questions are being set. They were once upon a time, they were themselves examiners. They used to prepare questions for these exams. They know what will be asked in the exam and what you guys have to know. And I think exams are one part. Apart from that, learning is must. Learning is why you should be what you should be interested in. I'm sorry. So if you learn things, if you learn basics, then you won't have to worry about exam. So if they tell these are the things, if somebody in your college says these are things which will be asked in exam, and if you have learned a concept and if you can apply it in 100 different possible situations, that is what you should be focusing on. Any question, any possible situation, anything based on that concept, you can solve it. And exams are just a test of time. So if you have understood the concept and if you have not practiced, just being intelligent won't help you. You need to be hardworking also. That is why they say practice as many MCQs as possible, as many questions as possible. Practice those concepts in 100 different situations. You should be familiar with what can be asked in exam. So if you can solve the 60 questions in 60 minutes, that is what is important. If the same thing, if it is given to you to be solved in 3 hours, and if you are intelligent, definitely you will do it. So if you have to be successful in these exams, definitely you have to work hard and definitely you have to practice. I am sure none of the students who are joining Shastra Tuition will be less intelligent. So intelligence is not the differentiating factor here. Yes, definitely if you compare it to some other institution, then there can be less bright students, and definitely you are not competing against them. So you need to work hard, you need to work smart, you need to be intelligent, you need to focus on learning your basics. And Shastri sir will come and talk to you guys once in a month, and he will take a class and he will motivate you. That will always be there. But internal motivation, the fire inside your belly, is also very, very important. If you are not at all motivated internally, then it becomes very difficult. And what I didn't have that time and what you guys have now is technology. I didn't have any smartphones at that time. I didn't even have a phone that time. So what you guys have is smartphone, internet, technology. Use it wisely. It's definitely a double-edged sword. So if you don't use it wisely, then it is going to be problematic. You should know which edge to be used to come up. So there are many short videos on different types of shortcuts which can be seen. I don't know how it is for pre-university education. I am using it every day. I in medical field at least there is update every day. As you can see in COVID era, COVID is a new disease. We don't know what is happening. We don't have a vaccine. We don't have treatment. Every day there are new researchers, new papers are coming, new drugs are being tried. So that is how we are using it. So I think you guys should also do the same thing. And coming to the materials given in Shastra Tuition, I did them beforehand, before any teacher discusses. So religiously, every material, anything they give, I used to take it home. They used to give us 1 day time so that we solve it. And if you ask me, only 30 to 40% of the class did that and came. So I think everybody should do it. If you do it that way, and if you come to class, then you will know what way our teachers are dealing with the same problem, and you would have devised your own way of solving those things. That is very, very important. If you don't have your own way, if you're trying to copy whatever your teacher is saying, that means you have not understood the concept and you're not keen. So I think you should show interest yourself, and then you should solve the materials beforehand, and then you should come to class. And materials will have questions of different scenarios, and then be taken out from different books. Sometimes they themselves have made the question, and you don't get such great mix elsewhere if you're solving some book. So you should practice them as much as possible. Take all tests. Never miss a test just because you have not studied anything, because something came up in college, something came up at your home. That is not an excuse to be given, and that is not a reason to not take test. Any test, you should take it. Just 1 week before, you can't start preparing for any test or any exam. You should do it from day one. You should start studying from day one. That is what you are supposed to do. And one more thing I would like to say is, teachers are so approachable. Trust me, in your life you'll never get such approachable teachers. Those teachers who are willing to stay back after tuition classes, after 9:30, instead of going home, solving your doubts there. Trust me, you will never get it. Such dedicated teachers are nowhere found. So make use of them. Those teachers are putting so much efforts for you guys. So just make use of everything. Make use of the platform. Many students won't be getting such a nice platform. And one more thing I would like to highlight is that students get stressed saying exam. One thing what from my personal experience is that I used to enjoy those physics classes. I used to enjoy those chemistry classes, maths classes, biology classes. So it was not a stress for me. I was eager to learn. I was eager to know what concept are they teaching me today. I was eager to apply it in every possible situation. So it did not stress me that time. I did not feel distressed saying I have to work so hard, I have so much to study. It was not the feeling that I used to get. They taught me this concept today, I need to apply it, I need to learn how the MCQs are there. That thrill of solving an MCQ beforehand and getting the answer right was another thing for me. So I think you guys should also be having such curiosity,
that you have to get.
Curiosity and eagerness to learn, and not make it like a rat race. So definitely exams are about competition. It will always be there, but that should not stress you. So if you have done it right, if you have understood the concepts, if you have practiced the questions well, there's no need to worry. There's no need to worry about the rat race which is there. You should focus more on learning, not just on exams, saying whatever concepts were taught in PUC, I'm still using today. Whatever stoichiometry was taught by SY sir, I use it today. Whatever physics, whatever mechanics was taught then, I'm applying it today. Whatever chemistry was taught, lot of chemistry, I'm applying it today. Moles, micromoles, mostly stoichiometry is what I'm applying, and then thermodynamics and lot of physics, I use it every day. I am able to apply all these things even today because I was taught so well and I learnt it so well. And whatever basics which are taught to you in your pre-university education is what will stick for your life. That is very, very important. Whatever you are taught will be there for your life, and it is very, 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 very important, I would say. So learn it well. And don't aim for a rank, don't aim for marks. It will come automatically. If you have learnt it well, it is not it's not a question to be asked. It will follow you. So practice, work hard, work 16 hours a day, make use of the platform. Shastri Tuition is such a platform that you will never get it anywhere. Make use of the teachers there. I remember Shastri sir, RSM sir, JS sir, SY sir, HVJ sir, CPR ma'am, SP ma'am. So many of them who taught me, and I'm in constantly touch with them also. You can ask if I'm lying also. You can ask RSM sir. He knows me from a close distance. If you can ask him, whatever I'm telling is from my own personal experience, and I'm not bluffing here about exams and stress. You need to learn it. You need to get through your basics properly. You need to understand the concepts very well. You need to be thorough with them, and then only you can ace your exams. Exams are just a part of your assessment to make sure they choose the best candidate, best understood candidate. The MCQ exams is all about concepts. They're not going to ask any random facts and random numbers which you can memorize and then which you can vomit out as in theory exam. So that is very, very important for you to learn. Very, very important for you to learn basics. And lastly, I would say that all the teachers from the tuition played an important role in my life, and whatever I am today and whatever success I've got today is because they had a big role to play in my life. The fact that I got used to working for such long hours and I continued after that point also is the reason why I am today in All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, which is one of the prestigious institutes to do your undergraduation or post-graduation. And I would like to thank them all. It is because of them that I am here today. They played a significant part in doing it, and give them an opportunity to push you guys also along the same path. It is not new to them. They are doing it since ages. And in the end, I would like to quote Bhagavad Gita, Karmanye Vadikaraste Mapaleshu Kadachana, which states that you need to focus on your work and work only, not results, which is very difficult to do. But I think if you do it, you will not at all have stress about exams. You will not worry about results. You will just work, and definitely success results will follow. Will follow the excellence. If you are excellent, if you have understood the concept very well, if you have excelled in your topics, then success definitely follows. So that is what I would like to say. Thank you.